Hello and welcome to your daily pronunciation practice. Today, we're tackling some of the most commonly mispronounced words in English. Don't worry, we'll go through them slowly and clearly. I'll say the word, then you'll have a few seconds to repeat it out loud. Ready? Let's begin. Our first word is squirrel. Squirrel. One more time, squirrel. Next up, a tricky one from England. Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Let's try that again. Worcestershire. And now, a word we use every day. Comfortable. Comfortable. It's not comfortable, it's comfortable. Here's a fun one. Mischievous. Mischievous. Notice it's 3 syllables. Mischievous. This one is a classic military rank. Colonel. Colonel. It sounds just like colonel. Colonel. Next we have epitome. Epitome. The perfect example of something is the epitome. This word is for a collection of records. Archive. Archive. Let's say it together. Archive. This word has 2 common pronunciations. We'll practice the American one first. Schedule. Schedule. And now the British way. Schedule. And of course, the word for what we're doing now, pronunciation. Pronunciation. Be careful not to say pronunciation, it's pronunciation. What are you wearing? Clothes. Clothes. It sounds like clothes. Clothes. Time for some food. This word is vegetable. Vegetable. It's often shortened to 3 syllables. Vegetable. Something shiny. Jewelry. Jewelry. Let's try it again. Jewelry. Now, for the art of designing buildings. Architecture. Architecture. That CH makes a K sound. Architecture. Feeling excited. Then you're enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. Let's break it down. N-THU-C-as-tick. Let's take a picture. Photograph. Photograph. The stress is on the first syllable. Photograph. A beautiful sea creature. Anemone. Anemone. It can be tricky. Anet. Something spicy. Jalapeno. Jalapeno. The J sounds like an H. Jalapeno. Finding your special place. Niche. Niche. It can also be pronounced niche, but niche is common. Niche, a very frequent word. Often. Often. The T is usually silent. Often. And our last word for today, a direction. Southern. Southern. Just like the South. Southern. Fantastic work. You've just practiced 20 of the trickiest words in English. Repetition is key, so feel free to come back to this video anytime you need a refresher. Great job today, and remember, every little bit of practice helps you improve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. See you in the next video.